What a pass from Matos to Bulawan.
Tama, and Labitag.
Answering back is Huban. Pwede.
Yes, tama ka kasi kung 3-pointer ka lang and mas-stop ka, ano nang magagawa mo sa laro?
Wala na.
So you have to be an all-rounder player. And speaking
Tama.
of, etong Mark Anthony Labitag has been the court general in the last few minutes of our second quarter, attacking, thinking, but looking for his teammates. Fragoso, but Yambao was there. And Huban.
Hindi pa natutunawan doon si Nelson Saldana.
Very good start. Labitag.
Oo, hitting that 3-point shot.
Bulawan. And Huban.
Hindi pa natutunawan doon si Nelson Saldana.
Very good start.